Hello everyone, this is Sam from DATEC Studios. In this video, I want to introduce Overlap Spline Modifier, which is a new feature in 3D Studio Max 2020. If you're using older version, you don't have access to this modifier. I maximize my viewport toggle and from Create, Spline, start to creating a new line. I'm trying to create some overlap. Right click to finish creating. Going to modify panel. From the rendering rollout, enable render in viewport and in render, which the first one is not important. Alright, before I apply Spline Overlap modifier, we need more interpolation. So while my spline selected, I apply normalize spline and increase nuts. Now find spline overlap. As you see, immediately after applying, your spline trying to avoid overlap. We have two main parameters here, thickness, which control your spline thickness calculation for overlap, and you have drape. If you decrease drape, your overlap will be softened, and if you increase the value, your spline will bend and simulate something like more softened body. Spline overlap is interactive, which means if I select line from modifier stack and enable show end results, now I could select my vertex and start to moving. As you see, interactively working well. Which this is not so perfect modifier, and in some cases, especially if you have separated segments, doesn't work properly, but still is very useful to save your time. If you need more softened and accurate result, make sure your normalized spline nuts or segment length divided more. So by increasing your nuts, you could achieve better results. I need to decrease drape here to achieve better results, and that's the final result. Let's create another example. I make a circle and collapse it to editable spline. I select all vertices and start rotating. To make more soften, I apply normalize the spline again, and you could decrease the value by segment length to achieve soften result. Be aware, don't decrease value too much. I think that's fine. And again, find spline overlap and apply it. As you see, works very well. I think we need more thickness here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.